and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jesenia Poissant. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be unboxing my subscription box, Niyamasol. I have been getting this subscription box I think for the past 2 years now, and they just recently changed their whole subscription box. You could do bi-monthly now, I think you could do monthly now, and quarterly. I was doing the seasonal box, it would do it for every season, but now that they changed it up, and they also went down in price, so this subscription box is now $75, which is such an amazing deal. This is not sponsored or anything, I just really love Niyamasol, and let's dive in and unbox what we got. When I originally started the subscription box, it cost $90, so they really did well with going down in the price for everybody. So let's dive into the box. Now that they are doing a different subscription box policy, for each box it's curated to what you like. They recently asked us what colors we like, what type of things do we like, so each box is going to be completely different for everyone from what they have said. Also, they added a sports bra to each box for every time that you get the subscription box, which is pretty awesome. The only thing that they do not do anymore is a theme, or they don't give you a card to say what the theme is. If you watched my past Niyamasols, they would do the 5 Niyamas. Each seasonal box, it was about a different Niyama. So that's the only difference. And then also they added the sports bra. So let's dive in. First, we got this beautiful color pink, and it's an ombre color pink. Sorry, it's all tangled up here. This beautiful sports bra, which is really cool. It's really unique. It has these 3 straps in the back. I have 4 Niyamasol sports bras, so this one is different compared to the other ones. It's a different back, and I'll show you guys the difference. But this is the top, super cute. And again, I love Niyamasol's leggings and sports bras. The material is so soft. It's the softest leggings that I own. And I think I have about 5 to 6 pairs now between all the seasonal boxes, and it's made out of recycled material, which I think is super awesome. Now, since this box is $75, this top alone is $58. Then we have the leggings to match with it, and it's again the ombre pink, or let's see what the actual color is, cactus rose. So that's really cool. Super comfy. I'm a size medium in the leggings and a size small on the top. So if you are someone who is typically a size small or a size medium, you want to go up a letter, because I originally got a size small and it was too tight. So I got the size medium and pants, and the pants go for $88. So right there, the $75 box is just the leggings. It's really worth it for the box. I love this top so much better than the other ones. I just like how it crosses under here, and it's just so cute. The back is so cute, and how it just goes around your neck and has the 3 straps. I really love this outfit, and again, it is so comfortable. I've been working out really hard. But anyway, yes, this is so comfortable. I love that it is ombre. The ombre is super cute. Here is the difference of the other Niyamasol bra. So I like that this is a crisscross versus this is just a regular bra. But the back is still cute. It has the opening right there. So those are the differences between the 2 bras. Super cute. I love both of them. This one fits so much better to me. I love all of their stuff. So soft. Next up, we have, and they have a little pink theme. They have this pink, I hate this paper stuff. They have this pink tissue paper. I actually save this stuff, and when I'm sending gifts to people, I just reuse it, and that is a great way to recycle. The next item that we got is this essential oil roll-on. I actually thought it was a lip balm, but it's actually an essential oil roll-on. And from what I'm gathering, because it's color pink, this says love therapy balm. I'm assuming it's to really for a self-love box, and revolved around self-care. But this is a travel one. The only thing that I don't like about this, it does have beeswax in it, so it's not vegan. but it has rose patchouli and cedar wood. It smells amazing, and it promotes feeling of harmony, peace, and love. Like, you smell the patchouli for sure. And it says, when you feel overwhelmed and in need of a hug or simply out of sorts, love helps restore a sense of inner peace, balance, an elegant and grounding fragrance to relax, unwind with any time. So it's travel-friendly aromatherapy balm to help you stay centered. You can put it on your temples, your neck, or your wrist. It'll give you the ingredients on the back, so it does have beeswax. That's how I knew about the beeswax, and it's from the brand Centered if you're interested in purchasing that. The next thing that we got is Bloom Where You're Planted, Stay Wild, Earth Child. I really love all the different stickers that they give. I always save them and I put them on my vision board. This is Bloom, A Beautiful Process of Becoming. This is really cool. This is a recycled paper with wildflower seeds. So we're gonna plant this and get some wildflowers here. It says this 100% tree-free seed paper heart will blossom into a garden of wildflowers when planted and cared for. Regardless of where you live or the color of your thumb, the blend of seeds embedded in your heart paper will flourish with partial shade, water, and plenty of sunshine. I absolutely love this. I think this was so thoughtful, and it's in the shape of a heart, and I just thought it was the most thoughtful thing. I'm really excited to plant this, so we're gonna do that. And then the last thing that we got, which is super cool, we got an amethyst. It's still in its original form, and you get to, inside this rock is a beautiful treasure waiting to be discovered. Place the geode on the surface of concrete, and you gently tap the different edges with a hammer or a chisel or screwdriver. Crack open your geode to reveal its inner beauty. So it is an amethyst because they tell you. I think this is so cool. We're also going to do this as well. Amethyst is a really spiritual stone. It really helps to help you to prevent from like psychic attack, any bad dreams that you're having. Amethyst is actually my birthstone. I'm an Aquarius. It's a translucent stone that has a lavender to reddish violet hue. It is typically found with a clear to white translucent swirling pattern. Amethyst translates from Greek to mean not intoxicated. Amethyst is a stone known to prevent nightmares, alleviate headaches. It cleanses and purifies the emotions and helps rid of the mind of negativity, helps relieve pain and stress. Therefore, amethyst represents clarity and healing. So that's really good, and it associates with the crown chakra. Cutting this geode open is a lot harder than it looks. I mean, maybe it does look really hard. I've been at this for 15 minutes and I have nothing. I broke off a little bit of pieces, but I'm gonna have my husband do this because this is way harder than I thought. And I watched a video and the guy said that you really have to go at it for a long time. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I just ruined the whole thing because he said like you have to find a certain spot and keep going at it. But this is so hard. It is really, really hard to get into it. I'm gonna leave that for my husband. Otherwise, this is probably gonna stay like this. Holy moly, I did not realize how hard that was gonna be. So my husband just cracked open the geode. It was really hard. Look at the inside. It doesn't really look like an amethyst, but it's still cool. That's everything that I got in this quarterly box. Super thoughtful. I could tell that like they really thought about something, like they were really trying to get creative in this box. I really do miss the card with, you know, some type of theme that represents it, because it just really gets me like in the present moment. I feel like whoever else gets the box is doing the same thing and we're doing it collectively. But anyway, that is at $75. They reduced the price because it was $79. So they started off with $90 to $79 to $75. So they really reduced their prices. For right now, just to be honest and real with you guys, I did cancel my subscription because I just really loved that there was a theme revolved in each box. Not saying that they didn't really thought it out, but also just to prioritize and budget my money at the time. But I do think in the future I will get a box again. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with me weekly, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!